Today we will be doing an advanced testing of the Ichimoku Cloud Indicator.
But before we do, if you have not watched the first video on the channel and all the videos after that, you need to go do that now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team. There is also a link down below to sign up for Tradingview. You can save a little bit of money if you use the link below to sign up for your account. You can also find a link below to join us on Discord. Lastly, if you would like a list of all the indicators we have tested along with their win rates, but you aren't interested in watching all the videos on the channel, you can sign up for our $9 Patreon, and you will receive the complete list of indicators. We also would like to introduce our Patreon exclusive Discord channel. As a $9 Patreon, you will be invited to join an exclusive Discord channel where we will give you a list of winning indicators and links for the MT platform, give you winning strategies, post trade ideas, give advanced advice, and much more. So click the link below to join our Patreon.
Alright, as I said, today we will be doing an advanced testing of the Ichimoku Cloud Indicator. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 64 different strategies, with 16 of them being profitable. We've also tested a total of 829 indicators, with 337 of them being winners. The best ones so far were able to achieve a 100% win rate. Now you need to go back and watch those videos to understand the context of how they were able to achieve that. So go back and watch those videos and see what you can get out of those winning indicators. We have also retested in the advanced testing 34 of the winning indicators. 11 of them have been able to maintain the winning status, the best one a 76% win rate. Now keep in mind that we test most of these strategies and indicators on the Forex and crypto market, but they can be applied to just about any market and time frame universally. Alright, so today we will be looking at an advanced testing of the Ichimoku Cloud Indicator, and this one is specifically the Ichimoku Cloud Indicator with alerts. And so the default indicator looks like this right here. And so pretty much your standard Ichimoku Cloud kind of setup. And so I did go in, and just for the sake of convenience, or I guess the sake of simplicity, did go in and turned off everything but the Ichi buy and sell and the cloud buy and sell signals like this right here. And this is how we tested it in the original video, basically just looking for these buy and sell signals. Now it is interesting enough that you have the Ichi the Ichi sell and buy signals, and you have the cloud buy and sell signals. And so you can adapt this to specific buy and sell signals, but in the original video we tested it with just the both the buy and sell signals on, like this here. Now in the original video it didn't have a lot of trades within the 1 year's time, so we did have to drop this down to the 4-hour time frame, and we adjusted the stop and take profit according to the lower time frame. And so basically the setup on this, as you can probably guess, is that when we got a buy signal, a green arrow with a buy signal, regardless of what the buy signal was, that was a signal to go long, like right here. And when we got a sell signal, so we get the red arrow and a red sell signal, again, regardless of what sell signal it was, that was a signal to then go short, like here, and another buy signal like right here. And so that's how we tested it in the original video, like I said before, and that's how we tested it again in this video over the 50 trade advanced test. And so what I'm going to do now is go ahead and fast forward through the advanced testing, and we will pick it up on the other side to take a look at what this was able to achieve over that 50 trade test. All right, so that's going to put us at the end of the advanced testing right there. Before we take a look at what that was able to achieve, I'd like to give a quick shout out to our Discord server. This is our Discord server here. It is free to join. Most of the channels here are free. You're welcome to join, take part of the conversations in most of these channels here, but we do have a Patreon only channel set up just for our patrons to take advantage of some advanced information that we're putting out for everyone to see. For example, Sasquatch here is an amazing Forex prop trader. One of our members here, he's posting charts like this on a regular basis where he's marked out areas of support and resistance, areas of interest, and just general Forex analysis of the market. Posting really great charts, really informative charts, outlining kind of how you should be looking to mark up a chart and areas you should be looking for once you have a chart marked up, and kind of understanding how Forex is flowing accordingly to that support and resistance, and things like wedge patterns and so on. And so then there are some of our other members who are just posting just some really great information, trades that they are looking to take. You can see here trades that they are in and are doing really well, and just general knowledge and support all around. So it's just a really great environment. Everybody's helping everybody out. Everybody's kind of coaching everybody and helping everybody to grow and become a better trader. I highly recommend it. All right, so let's go ahead and scroll back here and take a look at what this was able to achieve in the advanced testing. And so, like I said, we did 50 trade test on this one. So that way we could see how it held up over a larger number of trades. And we got 28 winning trades. We got 22 losing trades, putting us at a 56% win rate. And so obviously that is not going to hold up to the 60% criteria that we are looking for. And so this one is going to drop into the no list now. And again, we had a indicator that was between the 55 and the 60% win rate. A lot of these winning indicators seem to, well, I wouldn't say a lot, but a few of them have seemed to kind of hover around right above that 50% criteria, or I guess that 50% win rate, not necessarily the criteria of the 60% that we're looking for. And so I just find that interesting that a lot of these, or a few of these, again, I guess I should say, kind of hover around that 55 to 60% win rate area. And they kind of drop down below that 60%. And again, not necessarily that this is a bad indicator at all. We could try testing it with just the specific Ichi signals and just the specific cloud signals on their own, and see if that makes any difference at all. And you can always play around with these and play around with the stop and take profit. We're using a very specific stop and take profit kind of system that we've been using for all of the testing. And so like I said, doesn't mean that it's a bad indicator, just not going to fit the criteria that we are specifically looking for the project that we are doing now. And so for that reason, like I said, it's going to go on the no list, and we will move on to the next video from here.